Okay, folks, hey, Bob here at Bob's Classic Cars and Parts, and we're having Ford Day today. We've had Mopar Day, we've had Studebaker Day. Today is Ford Day. What we have here is a 1967 Ford Fairlane GTA. Now, the A and the GTs were the 4-speed cars, the GTAs were the automatic cars. Now, this car was born with a 392 barrel. Now, he's putting it back with a 4-barrel Edelbrock intake and a Super Sniper fuel injection system on it. He's added the chrome valve covers, which were an option on some of these Ford products. It originally came with painted valve covers. Now you'll notice the fuel pump is blocked off. He's got fuel because it's an EFI car. He's got the fuel pump in the tank. Now, one thing that's cool about this car is it's automatic on the column. Can I open this door? Yeah. Okay. It's automatic on the column car, which makes it even that much more rare. And this color is a Arcadian blue. Beautiful color, if you ask me. Which I love these old cars. He just had it painted, as you can see. Believe it or not, this is a Mako paint job, folks. They did an outstanding job on this car. So we're gonna walk you around here, get you a good look at this car, best we can. Obviously it's a project, work in progress. Go back inside here and look at this cluster. Ain't that something, folks? This is a beautiful automobile. Putting it back mostly stock, other than the EFI system and the chrome valve covers. It's going to be pretty much back to stock. Let's see how far we can get around. We can't get around here. Let's go back this other way, folks. They're a lot more fun to put together when they're rust free. There we go. Look at that. That body is straight. My goodness. Darn good paint job they did on this car. My hat's off to him. Ain't that right, puppy dog? He's walking around with me. All right, folks. We just want to bring you this car. I know you guys love these cars. I love them. And just admire this kind of stuff. This is outstanding. Really beautiful automobile. All right, folks, hope you enjoyed this and hope you subscribe to the channel. Hit that like button. Show these guys some love for the hard work and money they put into these cars. All right, folks, take care.